Step outside my door, feel the sun on my face. Nature's gentle whispers calling, I'm drawn to its embrace. With every leaf and flower, every breeze that I find, I reclaim my spirit, leave the chaos behind. Discover peace, let the wildness unfold. In the arms of nature, let your heart be bold. Walk a little slower, breathe that fresh air. In the magic of the moment, feel your worries wear. 10 minutes in the park, where the tall trees sway. Sitting on the soft grass, I watch the clouds play. The rustle of the branches, the song of the brook. Every sound a reminder, in nature I'm hooked. Discover peace, let the wildness unfold. In the arms of nature, let your heart be bold. Walk a little slower, breathe that fresh air. In the magic of the moment, feel your worries wear. Gazing at the sky, where the colors blend, finding deeper meaning as the day comes to an end. Reconnecting with the earth, letting gratitude rise. In this dance of existence, I see through new eyes. Each breath a reminder, each moment a gift. Nature's quiet wisdom guiding me to uplift. As I walk through the meadows or sit beneath a tree, I discover my place, I am wild and I am free. Discover peace, let the wildness unfold. In the arms of nature, let your heart be bold. Walk a little slower, breathe that fresh air. In the magic of the moment, feel your worries wear. So let's cherish these moments where